What's up, you guys? It's your Skinny Boy Randy. Hope you're having a blessed, growing, prosperous, happy Martin Luther King Jr. Day. I hope you're having a blessed day, you guys. Happy holidays to you. Let's not forget what the great doctor stood for, you guys. Peace, equality, love, and unity. That's what we need in 2020, you guys. We are currently having a huge rally. If you've been watching the news, you should know. Right there at my job, which is one of my offices is across the street from the state capitol. And then my other location is actually inside of the VCU Health Hospital. So I did go to the, I didn't have to go to One Cap Square today, thank God, because there are thousands upon thousands of people that have come into our city, you guys, to rally for guns and being able to carry all these assault type of rifles and things. So pray for our city, pray for us, pray that this protest goes peacefully. That's the main thing, because today is Martin Luther King Jr.'s birthday. Why would they do that today? Good question, right? So, just wanted to give you guys a quick update on the garden that we started inside the greenhouse. We can start calling it a garden because we got some growth. Yes, you guys, we got some growth. So, sit back, relax, and we're also going to do a little fun experiment at the end of this video. Just something fun, you guys. I'll let you know about that in just a little bit. So, let's go ahead and start. Look at that corn, y'all. That's the corn. We started everything from seed. Now, my big Jim chili medium hot peppers, they have not broken ground. Am I focused, y'all? Now our Keystone resistant giant has broken ground. Those are our peppers, you guys. And we have cherry tomato. And you see why you plant more than one seed? Because you never know what and how many will germinate. So you always want to plant a little extra just in case. These peppers are doing great. I can see more coming out. And then over here we have a Rutger tomato, the only one that has come out of this container so far. That's a Rutger. And then more corn, you guys. I think this was the Golden Bantam. And this was the sweet corn. Yes, you guys, that's the sweet corn. And then down here, we do have our radishes. Some of them are getting bigger than others. So we're just gonna keep watching. Keep watching, you guys. So yeah, that's just the update I wanted to give you. And the camera is facing away from me, you guys. So I hope I'm capturing everything so you can see it. Yes. So, again, I hope you're having a great day. Now, I went to the Dollar Tree a couple of days ago, and they had this little thingy here. Where is the front? The tomato rocket. Oops, I'm doing it right, y'all. I don't want to be upside down. The tomato rocket. And what it is an instant, put it in the soil, water it, and watch it grow type of thing. So we're just going to do that for fun, okay? Can y'all see it? I hope you can see it. And they were only $1, so why not have some fun? And it says as seen on TV. I never saw it. Haven't seen an infomercial in a while. But this is called Tomato Rocket. And it says can grow up to 10 pounds of tomatoes, grow virtually anywhere, anytime, hand-selected premium grade seeds, perfect for indoors or outdoors. The new way to grow tomatoes. Create your own tomato factory. So that's what it says on the box, y'all. So what we're gonna do is exactly what it says. And I got these pots from Dollar Tree. Let me set my camera down. Yeah, these pots came from Dollar Tree. You just pop the 3 holes out at the bottom. The soil also came from the Dollar Tree for $1. Everything in the Dollar Tree is $1, of course. And I actually bought this soil thinking I was going off of the recommendation of the New Orleans gardener. Shout out to her. And this was the soil she said she didn't like, y'all. So in my other videos, please forgive me for misquoting her. She was saying, I went back and rewatched the video, and she did say this was the kind that did not work for her, but it might work for somebody else. And that's what I love, just being honest. What works for you might work for you, and what doesn't might work for somebody else. Great. So we're gonna see it with this little experiment. So I'm taking the potting mix and filling up this pot, just like it says on the pack. Fill it up with dirt, you guys. And simple instructions. Just make a hole. Let's take out our tomato rocket so we can see what we're actually planting. The tomato rocket experiment, you guys, day 1. Oh. There's tomatoes everywhere. Wait a minute. So this is like a roll. So I guess I just put the whole roll in there? Because, oh yeah, you put it down like that. Yeah, because it's a roll. It's showing me how to do it. But yeah, you guys, pretty much I think this is just, you know, a roll full of seeds, tomato seeds. And you just do it like this, roll it up. Dig your hole deep enough. And just pop it down in there like that. You see that, y'all? Just popped it down in there like that. Left it rolled up. And then, okay, step 1, place 1 tomato rocket in loosened soil. 2, make sure soil is at top rim of tomato rocket. Thoroughly soak with water, then water twice daily. Do not let dry out. Step 3, as seedlings appear, add water once daily to keep moist. Okay, so it says to make sure the soil is at top rim of tomato rocket. So let's dig this a little deeper so the soil can be at the top rim of our tomato rocket. What a cool name, right? So just gonna put some more soil on there. And I'm just gonna cover it. Not with a whole lot. I'm just gonna cover it enough so when I water it, you know, it'll hold the moisture. It'll hold the moisture, see? And that the rocket is right there, y'all. So now I'm just gonna water it real quick, and I think my phone's about to die, you guys. So I'm gonna try and hurry this up before it does. So I'm watering our tomato rocket. Okay. Then let that drain. And put a little bit more dirt. Because once I watered it, you know, the dirt kind of settled. Oops. Yeah, the dirt kind of settled. So we want to feed the baby. Make sure she's nice and moist. And there we have it, you guys. We're going to see how this tomato rocket does. Okay? So I hope you're having a blessed day. Live, love, laugh. Grow on your family. Go visit your family and your friends and tell them you love them. Tell them how much you appreciate them. Not just on today, but every day, you guys. I love you. I appreciate you so much for being here. Please click like and subscribe if you have not already done so. Click the little bell to get my notifications. You know how crazy I can be, and I'll make a video in a minute. So I love you guys. Live, love, laugh, grow stuff, and eat it. I love you guys. You are the best. Take care. Peace out. Happy Martin Luther King Day.